So, real quick, let's just discuss again about how to make money on YouTube without you making your own video. I mean, without you sitting in front of camera, without you going through the rigorous process of making a video, editing a video, and the sound effect, all those things. But you can make a lot of money, I bet you. This is a proven method and it's something that's been working and it's going to work till next generation. I can bet on it. So, but mind you, I'm not saying it's going to be an instant hit. I'm not saying you're going to start any money today. But if you put in the work in the next few months, like 5, 6 months, if you put the work, if you are ready to be a YouTuber, you put in the work, man, you are going to be happy. You are taking this decision today to be a YouTuber, to go with this method. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's go into the screen of my phone. I would like to use phone for people that don't have access to laptop, that can't have laptop. And using the phone will be something that phone is handy, which means you can go anywhere and do it. Maybe you're on a journey, just go and do it. So now right away, let's go. I will show you all the process and you'll be happy. Thank you. Join me now.
And as I promised, I will be showing you how to make money on YouTube without you necessarily shooting your own video, making your own videos, without you going through the trouble of sitting in front of camera. After then you edit, you put your stand up. There are already made videos that you can just pick from somewhere and upload, and you will get your money. Now, this guy here on my this is YouTube channel. Don't use the app. Use youtube.com on your mobile. Then you go to settings on your Chrome. You change to desktop setting. The option is there and it will bring it for you like this. Now looking at this guy now, I if not because the picture is here now, I don't even know, maybe it's the real person. I would have said, okay, I don't know him. The name here is Danny Lewis. He has over 800,000 subscribers. He just made he made 244 videos already. So uh now what he does is very simple. He just upload waters rain videos. I mean, rain videos. That's what he does. And this one now, 3 days ago, he has over 66,000 views already just 3 days ago. This other one, he has 144,000 views 5 days ago. Now this guy, this guy is doing everything as frequent as he can. Now here you have over 14 million views 7 months ago, 35 million views. So this guy is having enough views. This is the guy you are going to be competing with if you are ready to try this. Now that's that. You know what you're about to do. Now we are just going to be uploading rain videos. So how do we get the videos for free? How do we get a copyrighted free videos, royalty free videos? So what you do is let's get out of this place. Then let's go to pieces. I have the app on my phone, or you go to pieces.com. This is pieces. This is the app. This is the app. Then you just write, you try to search for videos rain videos. Now you go to videos. Now we have a lot of it here. There are many here that you can download for rain videos. So when you get your rain videos, you download them. It's very easy to download. Let me show you an example on how to download one. I don't want to stay long. So you just press here. Don't do the original, go for full HD or HD. So you go for full HD, then download. It will prepare and it will be downloaded for you. Download complete. Now it's on the system, now it's on the phone now, so I can easily go and pick it and use it to do whatever I want to use it to do. That is that. It can be like this. So now that you have your rain video, what you do next is to look for sand. How do you get sand? So let's go back to our so let's look for our this site I'm taking you to. The name of the site is splat.com. This site you can download free sound effect, all over 98,000 free sound effect, or you go to YouTube library and download this free. Nobody's going to hold you responsible for taking someone's property. Nobody owns this property, so it's only you can take them. So just do rain, just say rain. So rain, you search for it. Now we have over 307 results for rain. See them here: nature rain, thunder and lightning. You can, which one will you like to pick? You can follow the provider, people that drop this video and this and there. There are many. You can get it. Then after that, you have your videos, you have your audio. What you do next is to go to your KineMaster. I use KineMaster for my editing. So you go to KineMaster, you upload the two, then you loop the two together. After you loop them together, you begin to upload to YouTube every day for the next 30 days. Never stop. That's the logic. Immediately you start uploading, don't stop. Don't give it a break. That's what YouTube wants. He wants to see you on a regular basis. He wants to know you. Then he will know you are a serious creator, a serious YouTuber. So that is that for now. Thank you very much for your time. Please do and subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. We will always respond. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Bye for now.